అంటారు. పేజ్ పర్లేదు వస్తుంది. Okay students, let me start the class now. Okay. So I'll start the class. Say this is IIT mains classes. We'll do the problems in object type, and we'll learn some shortcut methods also, different problems, different models. So let me start with straight lines. Straight lines. This topic I am starting with the subtopic reflections. Reflections. You know, reflection and image of a point in a line. So that formula, you know, foot of the perpendicular and image formulas, you know. So we'll see here different kinds of reflections and their applications in solving certain problems in straight lines. Okay. Before that, let us have a revision of the shortcut formulas for finding equations of a straight line when 2 points are given. Okay. Suppose 1, 2. 5, -1. So I want to find the equation of the straight line joining these 2 points. Okay, 2 points are given. I want. So what is the method actually in IPE? A 2-point formula. Okay, y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 or something like that is. So, but shortcut method is, so find the difference of y coordinates. How much that one? Come on. 3. 2 minus minus 1 is 3. Difference of y coordinates. Difference of x coordinates in the opposite direction. 5 minus 4. You write 4 here. In your mind, just write the numbers 3 and 4. Any common factor is there in 3 and 4? No. Therefore, the equation of the straight line starts with 3x plus 4y. Now is equal to some constant we have to find out. Is it not? Is equal to some k. So that k can be obtained by either substituting this first point or second point, whichever is easy. I think 1, 2 is easy. So I will substitute 1, 2. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2, that is k. So that is what? 8 plus 3, 11. K is equal to 11, you put there and take it to the left side. So 3x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. So this is one example. So just we'll consider 1 or 2 more examples so that we will be thorough. Because such type of shortcuts we have to use so many. In solving a problem we have to find the equations of so many straight lines that you can do fast like this. Okay. Next question. Suppose these are 2 points. Say 2. Wait, just 1 minute. 1 minus 1. Here minus 7, 3. And I have here one more point, say 0, 2. Right. Now I want, say this point is A, that point is B. This is the equation of the straight line AB. This is another point given 0, 2. Okay. So I want the equation of the straight line passing through 0, 2 and parallel to the line AB. So parallel to the line AB means you have to use the same method. So for AB, difference of y coordinates, if you take it like this, -1, -3, -4 you are getting, is it not? So let us not start with a negative number. So we'll start with a positive number. So we consider the difference of y coordinates in this direction, like this. What is 3 minus -1? 4. Difference of y. The difference of x coordinates in the opposite direction? 1 minus 8. 4 and 8, there is a common factor, is it not? So divide by 4, you will get 1, 2. So the equation of this line actually starts with 1, 2 means 1x plus 2y is equal to k. Because this is just a parallel line, here also the line will start with x plus 2y, only the constant will be different. Constant is equal to k dash. How do you find k dash? By substituting which point? 0, 2. So 0, 2, if you substitute, you will get 0 plus 4 is equal to k dash. So k dash is equal to 4. This is 4. Bring that 4 to the left side. So the required answer is x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So parallel lines, same method. Difference of y coordinates, difference of x coordinates in the opposite direction. Difference of x coordinates in the opposite direction. Okay. For finding constant, you have to substitute the suitable point. So now let us find the shortcut for perpendicular line. Well, I am removing all this. Okay. Suppose this is a point A, this is another point B, this is another point C. So I will give the points A, B, C coordinates. I want now the equation of the straight line passing through C and perpendicular to AB. So let us see here -3, 7. Okay, 7. Not 7, 9, 3, and this point is 1, 1. Okay, I want the equation of the line passing through C and perpendicular to AB. Here perpendicular, not parallel, is it not? Therefore we have the formula slightly changes. Difference of x coordinates. Difference of x coordinates. Okay. Difference of x coordinates 12. 12. Because if you go from here there, it will be -12. Don't start with a negative number, start with a positive number. So difference of x coordinates 9 minus -3, 12. Now difference of x coordinates now. Difference of x coordinates 12. Difference of y coordinates in the same direction. Sorry. Difference of x coordinates is 12. Difference of y coordinates in the same direction. How much, tell me? Come on. -4. 3 minus 7 minus 4. 12 minus 4. Any common factors are there? 4 is a common factor. Divide by 4. So the line starts with 3x minus y is equal to some k. That k also you need not write. Now put the point 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2 on the right side. That 2 will come to the left side. It becomes -2. So this is the equation of the perpendicular line. So perpendicular line, remember, difference of x coordinates, difference of y coordinates in the same direction. Okay, parallel line, difference of y coordinates, next difference of x coordinates in the opposite direction. Whereas for perpendicular lines, first difference of x coordinates and then difference of y coordinates in the same direction. So these are helpful to us in solving the future problems. So I'll go to our main topic, reflections and its applications. Okay. So I'll remove all these things. So I'll remove the heading also. All of you please note down the formulas, and whatever I am writing on the board, please copy it, and so that you can revise it later. So Prabhav, are you there in the class? CH Prabhav. Everybody, please don't neglect. So you will forget. Please note down in your notebook all the formulas. They will be very useful to you. So I'll remove the straight lines. Right. Now my first formula is, here we are going to see about 10 formulas. 10 formulas. The reflection of the point x comma y in x-axis. Wait, just I'll remove this. Just wait, please wait. The reflection of the point x comma y in why I am leaving so much gap for x comma y, people may be wondering, so they will come to know about it later. Why I am leaving so much gap for the point x comma y? The reflection of x comma y in x-axis is, anybody? What is the reflection of the point x? X. Wait, correct, that is correct. This is x-axis, so this is y-axis. Suppose this point is x comma y origin. Here you drop a perpendicular. So OP is x and PA is y. So to reflection means perpendicular to the x-axis produced by the same direction. Here reflection A dash. So x comma in the fourth quadrant, you will get for a first quadrant point, you get the reflection in the fourth quadrant, x comma minus y. That is very good. X comma minus y. The rule is, change the, for reflection in x-axis, change the sign of the y coordinate. Similarly, wait just. The reflection of same point x comma y in y-axis is, anybody? Right. From here you drop a perpendicular to y-axis, produce it. So this point A double dash, suppose. So this is x, this is y. In the second quadrant you will get, so minus x comma y. Minus x comma y. Okay. So reflection of in y-axis means change the sign of the x coordinate. Okay, right. Next, after the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis, next important lines are the angular bisectors between the coordinate axis. Okay, I'll remove them. Remove the diagram, okay? Okay. So here, after the coordinate axis, the next important lines are, I'll draw those lines in red color. Angular bisectors between the coordinate axis. So this line bisecting the angle between the coordinate axis passing through first quadrant and third quadrant. What is its equation? Angular bisector. X minus y equal to 0. Correct. X equal to y or x minus. So other angular bisector passing through second quadrant and fourth quadrant. What is its equation? Just perpendicular to the other line, so x plus y. Angular bisectors, you know, will be always perpendicular. So both of them the passing through the origin, which is the point of intersection of coordinate axis also. Suppose here we have, I'll use green color. So I got say 1 comma 5. Suppose this point is 1 comma 5. X coordinate is just 1 only, but y coordinate is 5. Its reflection in the line x minus y equal to 0 means I have to drop a perpendicular to this, and same length I have to produce. Here I will get the reflection. It will be just 5 comma 1. That means this will be 5 now, and that will be 1. For 1 comma 5, 5 comma 1. So generally for x comma y, it will be y comma x. Any quadrant, any point. So it will be, so just I am writing the formula now. The reflection of x comma y in x minus y equal to 0 is what? Come on, tell me. Y comma x. All the students, are you following me? This is very easy. In x minus y equal to 0, if you want the reflection, just you have to interchange the coordinates. For minus 4 comma 7, what is the reflection? 7 comma minus 4. That's all. That's all. X coordinate and y coordinate, just interchange. Any quadrant you don't bother. Okay, just interchange. Now, can anybody guess the reflection of x comma y in the other angular bisector x plus y is equal to 0? Huh? Minus y comma minus x. Minus y comma minus x. Minus y comma minus x. See here in the diagram, our point is 1 comma 5, is it not? This line x plus y is equal to 0 is here. So if you take the reflection of 1 comma 5 like this, drop a perpendicular, produce, so you will get in the third quadrant. So it will be minus 5 minus 1. That means it is the reflection of 5. 1 comma 5, what is the reflection in x minus y equal to 0? 5 comma 1. That for 5 comma 1, reflection in the origin is minus 5 minus 1. That means for minus 5 minus 1 and 5 1, midpoint is origin. You can see. Okay. So in the line x plus y is equal to 0, if you want take reflection, first interchange the x coordinate and y coordinate, then change the sign of both of them. Okay, that's all. So I'll let us take some examples. I'll remove all this. Say for 1 comma 2, I am my mirror is x plus y is equal to 0. I want the reflection in x plus y is equal to 0. Wrong. Somebody said wrong. I don't agree. See, so first step is 2 1. I am a computer, suppose. So I have asked my computer to interchange the coordinates 2 1. Then change the sign of both. That's all. That is the final answer. So for minus 3 4, same line. What is the reflection? So first step 4 minus 3. Interchange the coordinate. Then change the sign of both. Minus 4 plus 3. That is the final answer. Minus 7 minus 1. What is the reflection in x plus y is equal to 0? First reflection minus 1 minus 7 interchange. Then change the sign of both of them. Next 10 comma minus 8. What is the reflection? So first step minus 8 10. Then second step plus 8 minus 10. So that is the final answer. For x minus y equal to 0, just interchange the x coordinate and y coordinate. That's all. For 3 minus 3 5, reflection is 5 minus 3. That's all. No need of changing the signs. Okay, just interchange the coordinates. Okay, this is over. Next one is important. That is the general line. So I am removing all this. So next one, everybody has to be careful. Fifth one. Fifth one, I will take the general line. The reflection of x comma y in a general line, say Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 is. See, our special lines are over. Coordinate axes are special lines, their angular bisectors are special lines, reflections were special formulas, we'll remember them. But we want the reflection of the point x comma y in the general line Lx plus My plus n. What should we do? We remember that formula, is it not? Which formula? Let us see. Foot of the perpendicular and reflection, I think you are remembering you can remember the formula. Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Suppose this point is A, x1, y1. Its reflection is not foot of the perpendicular, but reflection is h comma k, p h comma k. These two are equal. Then can anybody tell the formula? H minus x x1 by L is equal to minus 2 or minus 1? Minus 2. Minus 1 for foot of the perpendicular, minus 2 for reflection. Minus 2 into this point we have to substitute in this line. That means Lx1 plus My1 plus n divided by L square plus m square or root of L square plus m square. See, no root. Generally students do this mistake, they put root. So root is not there, please remember L square plus m square. So from this, what is our reflection is h comma k, is it not? So what is the value of h? What is the value of k? I want to find out. Hk is what? Tell me. For finding h, I have to equate these two. First I will take this L to the right side, then I will take minus x1 to the right side. So minus x1 will become plus x1. First L goes there and joins with 2. So minus 2L into Lx1 plus My1 plus n. Why I am writing all this, you will soon understand. Okay. So that is the value of h. First I have taken L to the right side, then minus x1 to the right side, comma. What about k? First I have to these two I have to equate. First I have to take m to the right side, minus 2m I get in the numerator, then I will take y1. So y1 minus what? Anybody? Correct. 2m into Lx1 plus My1 plus n by L square plus m square. L square plus m square, denominator only for the second part, not for y1. y1 is free, no denominator. Similarly here x1 also free. This is the formula. I want to write this formula there. Okay. So final formula I am keeping and removing all other things. Okay. Like this. All this I will remove. Okay, that will vanish. Okay, the formula will remain. This formula I am writing it here. But here, this is the reflection of which point? x1, y1. This formula. But I am taking all xy only. Here you see xy only, not x1, y1. So, in place of x1, I have to write x. And in place of y1, I have to write y only, not x1, y1. So, I will tell me the final formula. Anybody? Please tell. X minus 2L into see why I am writing like this, you may be wondering why we don't use this formula. We never use this fifth formula, but still I want to write it. Why? You will soon understand. For finding the reflection of the intermediate method only is best. We'll use it. But here why I am writing, you will soon understand. Y minus 2m into Lx plus my plus n by L square plus m square. L square plus m square denominator only for what? Second part, not for y. Not for y. Okay. That I'll write it clearly here. Y minus here. Okay. And this also I'll write it clearly. I'll remove this x minus. X minus. Correct. This is comma. I'll put the comma with a different color. Say red color. Okay. Right. Right. Has everybody noted down these formulas?
Yes, sir.
I am having another 5 formulas, that is total 10 formulas. I want to write those 5 formulas after erasing these 5 already written formulas. So please all of you copy them so that just I'll change, small changes will be made in these formulas to get the new formulas. Okay, how? Let us see. Like this. See, I'll remove this number 1 and put 5. Fifth formula. What is the difference between fifth formula and first formula? Say instead of, I'll remove this point x comma y. I'll remove this point x comma y. In its place, I'll put the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, I am removing this and writing the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, what is the fifth formula? Please read. The reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is why I have kept more gap there. You remember, for writing the point x comma y, small gap is enough. Small space is enough. But I have taken large gap because so that I can remove it and write the line, equation of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, the reflection of fifth formula is the reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in x-axis is. So, first of all, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is a line. X-axis is also a line. So, what is meant by reflection of a line in another line? Previous one, x comma y is a point. X-axis is a line. First formula, I am talking about the first one. Reflection of a point in a line, everybody knows. From the point we drop a perpendicular, produce it to the other side by the same length. That point is known as the reflection. Okay. Now, both are lines. So, then what is the meaning? So, I will explain now. I will explain. See, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Suppose the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is like this. This is the line. Sorry. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now I want the reflection of this line in the x-axis. See, a line is nothing but a set of points only, is it not? Line is nothing but points only. So many points, so some above the x-axis, some below the x-axis also. For each and every point there will be a reflection in the x-axis. So that means for this point reflection will be somewhere here. For this point the reflection will be somewhere here. For this point reflection will be above somewhere there. All these reflections of individual points, they lie in a straight line. That straight line is called the reflection of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in x-axis. And that is, in another manner I will explain. I will remove this and otherwise it is also like this. So this is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Its reflection we want in the x-axis, is it not? So where it is cutting the x-axis? At this point. It is cutting x-axis at this point and it is above the line making an angle theta, suppose. Cutting the x-axis at P and making an angle theta above the x-axis. Okay. Now the line making the same angle theta below the x-axis and passing through the point P, that means a line like this, is the reflection of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in the x-axis. This is called object line, and this is called reflection line. Reflection line or image line. This is a reflection line. And here remember that x-axis is acting like a mirror. Mirror line is x-axis. The reflection of the object line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in the mirror line x-axis is what? For this there is a simple method. Already for this point x comma we have this formula, is it not? What is the first formula? The reflection of the point x comma y in the line x minus y equal to 0 is in the the reflection of the point x comma y in the x-axis is x comma minus y. This formula, this point, we have to substitute in this line. Then that is the answer. That's all. Same method for all the remaining formulas also. Understood? For point, whatever is the formula, that formula we have to substitute it in the line. That's all. So what is the formula? Tell me. Very good, very good. This I will remove. So I will write it in the red line, red ink only. So please note down this formula. X comma minus y we have substituted in this formula. So I get ax minus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. Same method for the next formula also. What is the next formula? Somebody please read. The reflection of, come on, complete formula you have to wait, just. I have to remove this 2 and put what there? 6. Come on, sixth formula, completely read it. Don't read the, see who is, I am talking, don't you understand me? Please read the complete formula. The reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in y-axis is what? Tell me. Come on, now tell me. Minus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 actually. Is it not? I am writing it here. Because minus x comma y I am substituting there. So, but this starting with negative sign it is not good. So, we will write it again, multiply by minus sign, write it as what? Ax minus by minus c is equal to 0. So, that is our formula. Okay. But remember that this method, point only we have to substitute. So, ax minus by minus c is equal to 0. After writing these two formulas, I am surprised. What is the surprise? Anybody surprised? I am surprised because the that is not the surprise. The surprise is same line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Only constants is changing means are they not parallel? Why do you don't recognize that? Constant sign is changing, somebody is telling. So that is not okay, that is okay, but they should tell the two lines are parallel. That is more appropriate. Only constant has changed means are they not parallel? Come on, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Fifth question answer and sixth question answer, are they not parallel lines? Yes, they are parallel lines. That is a big surprise because we are taking the reflection of the same line in x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis are two mutually perpendicular lines. The reflections of the same line in two mutually perpendicular lines, we expect them to be perpendicular, but surprisingly they are parallel. Surprisingly they are parallel. Okay. Amma? Monica? Hello students, can you hear me? So I got a message. That you are signed out because somebody has signed inside from another device. Huh? Okay, students. So I got a message. I thought I was signed out. You are hearing me, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So I'll continue. So this is the surprise. The reflections of the same line in two mutually perpendicular lines are not perpendicular but parallel. So why this is happening? Let us see. Let us see the reason. See the diagram. In the diagram there is answer. What is the reflection of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in y-axis? See the diagram. This line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is intersecting y-axis at this point, is it not? And it is making an angle alpha on the right side of y-axis. Okay. Now the line passing through the same point of intersection but making same angle alpha on the left side like this. Same angle alpha on the left side is the reflection, is it not? Right. This is the reflection of line in the y-axis. So these two are parallel. This one and this one, they are parallel. Why they are parallel? Let us see. Alpha plus c, here the angle between x-axis and y-axis is 90 degrees. So in the right angle triangle here, what you see here, what is alpha plus theta?
90, sir.
90. Now two lines are there. This line and this line are there. And take this line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 as transversal. What is the sum of the interior angles? 2 alpha plus 2 theta. 2 alpha plus theta is 90 means 2 alpha plus 2 theta is what? 180. So two lines are there. We don't know whether they are parallel or not. A transversal is there. Sum of the interior angles is 180 means the lines must be parallel. So that is why these two lines are parallel. Okay, that is the geometrical reason you can easily understand from the diagram. So the reflections of the same line in two mutually perpendicular lines are not perpendicular but they are parallel. Now the question arises, then what happens if you take the reflection of the same line in two parallel lines? Reflection of the same line in two parallel lines, are they perpendicular? The answer is no, and they are also parallel. Suppose these are two parallel lines. In these two parallel lines, I want to take the reflections of same line. So here, first line, same angle, this is the reflection. Second line here, this angle, which is same as this alpha only. Now in the second line, this is the reflection. These reflections also will be parallel. So the reflections of the same line in two perpendicular lines are parallel. The reflections of the same line in two parallel lines are also parallel. Okay, that's all. Now go to the next formula. So I'll remove all this. Okay, next, somebody please read the seventh formula. Wait, I am removing 3 and putting 7 there. So somebody read the seventh formula completely.
The reflection of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and x minus y is equals to 0 is ay plus bx plus c is equals to 0.
Correct. Very good. This is ay plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Who is that? Who has read that formula? Who is?
Sir, Shilpita.
Shilpita. Very good. Ay plus bx plus c. But this is correct, okay. But I'll write x first, okay. That is our convention. I will write x first. So I'll remove this and write there bx plus ay plus c. Sorry, I'll write in red color bx plus ay plus c is equal to 0. So if you want the reflection of any line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in x minus y equal to 0, just you interchange x coefficient and y coefficient. A and b you just interchange. So it is bx plus ay plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so let us see some examples. What is the reflection of 3x plus 7y minus 12 equal to 0 in x minus y equal to 0? 7x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, right. Next, another example. 2x minus 5y plus 7 equal to 0 in x minus y equal to 0. First, minus 5x. First, write interchange a and b. Later, we can correct it. Okay. Minus 5x plus 2y. Constant, no change. Constant, no change. Now you can multiply by minus 1 if you want. So 5x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, and that is the final answer. So reflection in x minus y equal to 0 is easy. Now let us see the, I'll remove all this. Let us see the next formula. I am changing this 4 to 8. Somebody please read the formula. Come on. Madhuri, can you read it? Who is that? Tell me first. Prabhas, please read it completely. Minus ay. First you read correct. Correct. First you read it like that. So minus ay minus bx plus c is equal. Now what is your final answer? Bx plus ay minus c is equal to 0. Our convention is to keep all of them on the left side, right side 0. That is our convention. In the textbooks or in your exam, whatever you like. In my class, you tell the equation of the line like this only. Always. So bx plus ay minus c is equal to 0. Bx plus ay minus c is equal to 0. Because x we write first. So I have multiplied by minus 1 and changed the x and y terms. So I am removing this and writing the answer here. What is that? Bx plus ay the previous answer and this answer, are they parallel lines? Tell me. Why they are parallel? Because x minus y equal to 0 and x plus y is equal to 0 are perpendicular line. Just now we have proved that the reflections of the same line in two perpendicular lines are parallel. So that is the reason why they are parallel. X minus y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0 are perpendicular lines. So reflection of the same line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 will be parallel. So that is why they are parallel. Now the final answer. See, I am writing the numbers wrongly. No? First one is sixth one. Okay, okay. I'll remove total 10. Okay. First one is sixth one. Next seventh, next 8, next 9. 10th formula is the most general formula. Okay. Reflection of a line in another line. Both are general lines. So, I'll write that formula. 10th one I am writing again. Because this is the most important formula, you have to remember this. The reflection of, I am writing again separately. The reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. 0 is what we have to do? This formula, whatever is this formula, that formula we have to substitute in the line. Which line? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I am doing this now. So, a into, I will use green color. A into what? Tell me. Come on. Correct. X minus 2l into Lx plus my plus n by L square plus m. L square plus m square, close the bracket. Next what? Plus b into y is what? 2m into Lx plus my. So that is why I have calculated the point in the fifth formula. This is the reason why, because I want to substitute it here. Then you will get the answer easily for the 10th formula. So ax plus by, the fifth formula we will never use it, but the purpose is to get the 10th formula, that's all. B into y minus plus what? Plus c is equal to 0. Now what happens is, final formula, here ax, here by, here c. The original line will form again. The final formula I am writing in pink color. So ax plus by plus c. The final line, original line will come. And two more terms are there. A into this, b into this. In these two, what is the common thing? Minus 2 into Lx plus my by L square plus m square. See, I am taking common like this. Minus 2 into Lx plus my plus n by L square plus m square common. So, if I take this common, what I am going to get in the bracket? Tell me. AL plus BM, not L plus M. AL plus BM. AL plus BM. AL plus BM. So, this is the final formula. This is the final formula. AL plus BM. So, I will write this formula again on the next page, and because this is the most important formula, we are going to just discuss about it. Okay. So, I am going to, all of you noted down these formulas? Okay. I am going to the next page and write this formula again, final formula which we have derived. Okay. 10th one. The reflection of reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in not in is blue color, in Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is blue color, is ax plus by plus c. Next, minus 2 into al plus bm by l square plus m square. That is a constant. L square plus m square into, in the green color, what? Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. So I want to explain this. See, I will draw the diagram and explain. This is one line, this is another line. Okay, reflection of the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We want the reflection of this line in what line? In Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. We want the reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in Lx plus my plus n equal to 0. This line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is called object line. And this line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is called what? Anybody? Mirror line. Mirror line. Reflection line I have not yet drawn. Reflection of the object line in the mirror line. So what is the geometrical method of constructing the reflection line? The object line and mirror line are intersecting here at this point, and the object line is making an angle alpha on one side of the mirror line. Then the same another line passing through the same point of intersection and making the same angle alpha on the other side of the mirror line is called the reflection line. So this line is called reflection line. For this reflection line, this is the formula. Understood? The object line, mirror line. So that means for object line and reflection line, the mirror line is what? Tell me. Between the object line and the reflection line, mirror line is what? Anybody? Angular bisector. Alpha and alpha you can see here. Angle alpha, alpha. Between the object line and reflection line, the mirror line is one of the angular bisectors. See, if two lines are there, there will be two angular bisectors. One, this angular bisector, and another angular bisector, and of course they will be perpendicular to each other. And so this mirror line is nothing but one of the angular bisectors. Do you understand? Everybody understood it? Between the object line and the reflection line, mirror line is one of the angular bisectors. The other angular bisector, of course, will be there and it will be perpendicular to it. Passing through the same point here, there will be another angular bisector also. See, now one more point I want to tell you. Remove this and remove this. See, let us remember this formula. Suppose L1 equal to 0 is one line. L2 is equal to 0. Do you remember family of lines formula? Anybody? Family of lines. L1 equal to 0, L1 equal to 0, L2 equal to 0 are two lines. Then any line passing through their point of intersection will be in what form? L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. By giving different values to lambda, you will get different lines passing through this point of intersection. L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Similarly here, our L1 is the object line in the diagram. Our L2 is the mirror line. Then this reflection line is, because it is passing through their point of intersection, it must be in the form object line, okay, plus lambda into mirror line. Tell me. Object line plus lambda into mirror line is equal to 0. See, that is why it is in this form. So you see the formula here. This is the formula. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is nothing but object line. Plus what is the value of lambda? Please somebody read it. Minus 2 into al plus bm by l square plus m square. That is the value of lambda here for the reflection line. And what is Lx plus My plus n equal to 0? Mirror line. So the 10th formula, I am reading it again. Please all of you see. The 10th formula. The reflection of the object line in the mirror line is object line plus lambda into mirror line is equal to 0, where lambda is minus 2 into al plus bm by l square plus m square. Understood? This formula, let us study it further. So all of you see the formula. I am going to ask you some questions. All of you see the formula carefully. Object line plus lambda into mirror line. What happens if al plus bm is equal to 0? What happens to the formula? al plus bm is equal to 0. Come on, read the formula now somebody. If al plus bm is equal to 0, read the 10th formula. The reflection of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Because al plus bm is 0, the second part of the formula will vanish. So that means the reflection of the object line in the mirror line is the object line. Is it correct or not? Let us test. Al plus bm is equal to 0 is the condition for what? Tell me. Is the condition for parallel lines or perpendicular lines? See, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Lx plus my plus n, object line and mirror line. What is the condition for them to be perpendicular? Al plus bm is equal to 0 only. Al plus bm is equal to 0. So that means the object line and mirror line are perpendicular now. If al plus bm is equal to 0. Let us see what happens. Let us see by what happens by drawing the diagram. So this is the object line. Whatever it is, equation does not matter. This is the mirror line. And because al plus bm is equal to 0, they are perpendicular lines. Now, what is the reflection of the mirror line in the object line? Sorry. So this is a mirror line. Sorry. This is mirror line. That is object. That is object. Okay. Now what is the reflection of the object line in the mirror line? For this part above the mirror, the below part is reflection. Is it not? For this point is reflection. For that point, this point is reflection. So like that, for every point above the mirror, below there is a point on the same line as a reflection. Similarly, for below part, above part is reflection. Do you agree? All of you agree that reflection of the object line and the mirror line is the same object line or not? Come on, anybody doubt is there?
No, sir.
Do you agree that reflection of object line in the mirror line should be same object line? Yes, correct. The formula is giving you that only. So that way the formula is very strong. Is it not? It has proved to be its correctness in one extreme case. Let us see whether the formula is correct in another extreme case. In another extreme case. Suppose what happens if the object line and mirror line are parallel. Will the formula give the correct answer? Let us test. Let us test it. I remove this. Parallel means what? I am doing. I remove this. Okay, I remove this mirror and put a new mirror there, which is parallel to the object line. This is the object line, is it not? Reflection of the object line. Mirror line, I want to remove it. Somebody suggest a parallel line? Prabhav, give me the equation of parallel line. Very good. So in the place of the mirror line, I have put a parallel line, ax plus b. So therefore in the formula also, in place of Lx plus my plus n equal to 0, I have to put what? And also, in place of L, I have to put A. In place of M, I have to put B. L is to be replaced by A. And M is to be replaced by B. So what is the numerator now in the bracket? A square plus B square. A square plus B. Similarly, in the denominator, I have to replace L by what? A square. M by what? B. B square. So numerator is A square plus B square. Denominator is also A square plus B square. So they will cancel out. So what is the formula now? Tell me. Ax plus by plus c minus 2 into this is all gone. In the bracket what? Now expand this. Ax minus 2ax minus ax. By minus 2by. So minus by. Plus c here. Minus 2k here. So let us multiply it by again minus 1. So ax plus by plus 2k minus c is equal to 0. So this is the formula given by the, so this is the answer given by the formula. Let us see whether it is correct or not. See, like this. Our object line is here, suppose. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Mirror line is parallel and it is here. Ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. This is object. This is mirror. So where will the reflection lie? Tell me. On the other side of the mirror at the same distance, is it not?
Yes, sir.
So this is the reflection. This distance and this distance will be equal. Okay, so you will get a parallel line as a reflection line. This is a reflection line. So let us take that line, because it is parallel to both of them. Let us take this line as ax plus by plus lambda is equal to 0. But how do you calculate lambda?
Sir, lambda plus 3 by 2 equal to k.
Correct. For this line and this line, this is the midway line. So the midway constant k, this constant k should be equal to what? This c plus lambda by 2. So lambda c plus lambda is equal to what? 2k. Then what is lambda? 2k minus. Same last. So in lambda you replace 2k minus c. Then what is the answer? Tell me here. Ax plus by plus 2k minus c is equal to 0. Same answer is given by the formula, is it not? Ax plus by plus 2k minus c is equal to 0. So we have tested the formula in two extreme cases. Okay, the coldest conditions and the hottest conditions also, both we have, it has withstood both of them. So in the extreme case of the object and mirror being parallel, object and mirror being perpendicular, the formula is giving the correct answer. So this is a correct formula. Okay, so this way you can test the formulas also. Okay, so some more examples will continue tomorrow. This, let us close this. Okay. Okay, students, let us meet tomorrow, same time. Please, whatever I have explained today, please revise those formulas. Tomorrow I will be asking questions on them. Okay. Okay. Let us take leave. Stop share. Okay. Stop share. And meeting for all.